Paano ko ba nabuo ang Little Boss Camp? Well, it started with my Angpao for Life community. Most of the parents' problems are they are worried on their kids. If ever it's time for them to manage their funds, the funds of their parents, possible baka hindi nila alam paano i-handle. Pwedeng waldasin, pwedeng hindi ma-maximize, hindi mag-grow nowadays. The parents are working so hard and then pagdating sa next generation, parang pababayaan lang. We, parents, are really after for the future of our kids. We need to teach them life skills, how to manage money, how to value money, how to make the money grow, and how to earn money. That's very important. Ito yung ugat ng paano nabuo ang Little Boss Camp. Nakita ko ito sa anak ko, nabibuild yung habit na nagpabili na pabili. And I need to stop that. I took up Certified Kidpreneurs Coaching and I integrated Angpao for Life. Now, it's a holistic program wherein they will learn how to value money. They will discover their passion. Marami din ngayon mga kabataan ay they don't have any idea on if they will start a business, kung anong business ito, anong career path na dadaanan nila. I have a tool wherein makikilala nila ang sarili nila. We will help them discover their passion. And from there, it will help them create their own unique business. With this program, matututunan nila yung foundation of starting a business, how to create their own brand, how to promote their products, how to price their products, and how to sell. And they will really experience firsthand magbebenta sila, no? So at the end of the program, we will have this mini fair na meron silang mini goal na sana ma-achieve nila at this time.